Welcome to WizzeBoo, where stories, colors, and fun come alive.
Wow! Look at this rainbow character! Hello, 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 super learners! Welcome back! Today, we are going to draw and color Sprunki NumberBlocks 70. Let's start drawing. First, draw one big rectangle for the main body. A nice wide body. Perfect! Now draw the lower body underneath. A nice pointed base, like a little stand. Now draw 13 vertical lines all the way down. One by one, they go in.
Pink and purple, black and white, learn them all. All right, Sprunki shouts.
Now draw the horizontal lines, going across. These lines divide our body into 70 blocks.
Learning everywhere. Yellow sun and green grass too. Sprunki's colors welcome you. Sprunki's color parade, hooray! Color the world.
Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now let's draw the face. Draw the eyes. Now add the eye detail, the pupils, inside the eyes. Looking great!
Color fast and color
Now draw the happy smile mouth. Add the teeth and the tongue. What a cheerful face! Now draw the hair on top. And finally, at the very top, write the number 7070. Our drawing is complete. Hello, everyone! I am Sprunki NumberBlocks 70. I am made of 70 tiny blocks, and I have rainbow hair. Coloring time! First, pick up the black color. Spell black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Color the eyes, black. Color inside the mouth area, black too. Now pick up yellow. Spell yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Color the outlines, yellow. Color the smile, yellow too. Fun fact, yellow is as bright as the sun. Looking bright.
learning makes you big and strong. Sprunki says keep going high.
Now pick up red. Spell red, R-E-D, red. Color the first 10 blocks red. Fun fact, red is bold and bright, like a fire truck.
Numbers make learning fun.
10 down. Now pick up orange. Spell orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Color the second 10 blocks orange. Fun fact, orange is the color of juicy oranges. 20 down. Now pick up yellow again. Color the third 10 blocks yellow. Fun fact, yellow is one of the brightest colors of the rainbow.
Here we go, counting fast. Now count slow, jump and shout. 9 and 10, let's Big Ben again.
30 down. Now pick up green. Spell green, G-R-E-E-N, green. Color the fourth 10 blocks green. Fun fact, green is the color of grass and leaves.
1 by 1, 11,
40
12.
down.
Numbers make our minds evolve. Sprunki
Now pick up sky blue. Spell sky blue, S-K-Y-B-L-U-E, sky blue. Color the fifth 10 blocks sky blue. Fun fact, sky blue is the color of a clear, sunny sky.
learning grows in every way.
50 down. Now pick up indigo. Spell indigo, I-N-D-I-G-O, indigo. Color the sixth 10 blocks indigo. Fun fact, indigo is a deep blue purple color found in the rainbow.
Colors bright and numbers high. Come on, kids.
60
reach
down.
toward sky. Sprunki sings, we dance along.
Now pick up purple. Spell purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Color the last 10 blocks purple. Fun fact, purple is made by mixing red and blue. 70 down. And now the final color. Pick up rainbow. Color the hair, rainbow. Color the lower body lines, rainbow too.
Sprunky way, yellow, blue, and green so bright. Learning feels so warm and right. Jump along, don't stop now. We can learn, we know.
Did you know Sprunki 70 is made of 70 tiny blocks? That is 7 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70! Wow, amazing!
Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning numbers can't be beat. Spin around and pat your knees. Sprunky's song brings learning ease.
Look at all these beautiful colors together. 70 done! Amazing job, super learners! Today you drew a main body, a lower body, eyes, a happy smile, and rainbow hair, and colored every rainbow color: black, yellow, red, orange, yellow, green, sky blue, indigo, purple, and rainbow. You are a superstar artist. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell. See you next time. Bye-bye. One more fun game before we go. Let's count all the blocks together. Can you keep up? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Wow, you did it! Great counting.
Thanks for watching WizzeBoo. See you next time for more fun adventures.